Hey, Ty here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel. So Rokid sent over a pair of their new Rokid Air glasses. A pair of great looking AR/smart viewers enabled to project an 120 inches display in front of your face in a pair of glasses. Available already right now, with also a great offer. So well, let's discover them together in this video. Let's get into it. And well, this is the box. It's pretty straightforward because right inside you're gonna find a carrying case that is pretty nice indeed to have. As always, a cleaning cloth. I have plenty around so it can stay in there. The cable, that is pretty important to have, and the instructions. Maybe I'll use them for once. But it's inside that the magic happens. Here you're gonna find the two optional anti-reflection clips, another little introduction paper. We don't need that. And of course the glasses themselves, the Rokid Air. Light red and with a pretty cool design. The cool thing though that they're super plug and play, so you can connect it with different devices. I just have to connect them to my phone and we're in. And here we have them. Yeah, these are the Rokid Air glasses. Pretty nice. These are AR/smart glasses with which you're gonna be able to use apps, games, and of course also watch movies. In this portable thing. By the way, Rokid is not a new thing. They actually did an Indiegogo last year and they raised over $1 million with over 4,500 backers. And they actually delivered. So now, well, they're also selling on Amazon, of course. That's where the interesting part is. But hey, how do they work? The Rokid Air have two micro OLED display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 each display, so full HD, running 60 Hz with a contrast of 100,000 to 1. That's a perk of the OLED screens. And you're able to see holograms in the screens in front of you thanks to the technology called bird bath optical monitor. Long story short, the visuals are very good. Also here you're gonna find two little dials for the diopters. So if you have myopia, well, you're gonna be able to use them also without glasses. They arrive from 0 to less 5D. They have a proximity sensor in the front, so you don't have to waste all the battery on your phone or device when you're not using them. Two HD directional speakers that fires directly to your ears, and a noise cancelling microphone because yeah, you can even take call with it. And you also have voice commands to control your apps, menus and settings directly with your voice. You have one single button here on the top to change actually the brightness of the screen. And the cool thing that these glasses are compatible with many different devices out of the box. They work pretty much like a regular monitor. If you have a USB-C on your phone that supports display out, well, they're gonna work just right out of the box. You can use it with your laptop, you can use it with your PC, with your Steam Deck if you have one, and also with your Mac and iPads. Of course, the models with the USB Type-C. But hey, let's get to the point. When you connect them to your phone, well, the first thing you're going to be greeted with the screen of your phone. And if you downloaded the app is going to open automatically. Here you're going to have two options, or mirroring your screen or getting in the AR mode. And in this case, you're going to get on a launcher where you're going to be able to use your phone as a trackpad to move around with the bar on the bottom where you're going to be able to change your settings, of course, with the option to take screenshots and record like I'm doing right now, watch movies, go to the store for AR application, go in the browser, switch again to your phone screen, browsing all the apps that you have downloaded, and of course get into the last app that you are using. Space War. It was a pretty cool game. And there are two modes here. One is having the screen that follows you around like it's doing right now, or you can select in the settings the 3DOF mode. And in this way, the screen is going to be fixed in a position. It doesn't have any camera, so it's going to use the accelerometer inside, and you're going to be able to look around. And the cool thing in this mode is that if you go to the browser, you're going to be able to open three different pages, as I'm doing it right now. You can make it closer, further away, bigger, smaller, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, if you want to watch a movie or go on Google and stuff, you can do it while doing other things in the other screens. That's pretty cool. You click, the keyboard is gonna open and you can write whatever you want. Dial, boot, where is from? Is that really what you're asking all the time? I want to see that. Google doesn't have an answer. Of course, 3D eye tracking means that you're not gonna be able to get closer or further away from what you see, but just look around and having a menu stuck in the middle. And it's useful also when you use some apps, because there are some AR applications on the store, but Rokid is planning to ship over 200 apps next year. Cool. The cool thing is that you can use this tracking to actually look around in your AR app, similar to what you will do in VR, but of course with a smaller FOV. That here is around 43 degrees. In this case though, the visuals are not occluded. We're talking about AR/smart glasses. So like this one is Bacon Roll, pretty fun, cheerful and colored game. Also actually Zuma, Space War, and one of my favorite actually End Space, that it's available also in VR. Having the possibility to play it again in here is absolutely fantastic. Also in the games that support it, like Space War, your phone is gonna become a gamepad. But if you want, you can also connect your gamepad to your phone and play different games. Having your phone available, you can of course use Xbox Cloud Gaming to play Xbox games directly in there with your Xbox controller. And one of my biggest use scenarios right now is using the Steam Deck with this. It's really plug and play. So instead of playing a 7-inch screen, I'm playing a 120-inch screen. That's bigger. But you know, sometimes your wife wants to watch Stranger Things on the TV and you want a TV as well? Well, I'm watching Obi-Wan in there. Or maybe you want to watch some film during workouts, and well, these are light enough to don't get in the way. Cool thing is that they also support 360 videos, and that's pretty cool. And yeah, these are the Rokid Air. They look pretty sleek to me. They have a bit of futuristic look in there, and the cool thing is that this thing in front that is a kind of a shaded helps a lot to make the screens pop up even more during use. You know, you go around with some cool sunglasses and in the meantime you watch something. At the end they're pretty portable to bring around. But well, what's the particular offer of this? Well, right now for Prime Day they're gonna be around 40% off from the regular price. So you're gonna be able to get them for $319. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below with everything, so don't worry about it. But yeah, these are the Rokid Air. I had really fun using them. I think I'm gonna keep using them because they're very portable and very light, like 85 grams, and it's rare for these kind of things. Yes, they don't have the cameras for the full tracking, but then makes it even lighter, so they're easier to use. If you want to watch a movie or something, they're very good, and the screen is fixed in a position where it's not really uncomfortable. In the past I tried stuff where the screen was a bit too close to you and it was not good. Well, with this, it's really a comfortable view. But yeah, again, that was all guys. These are the Rokid Air, these AR smart viewers glasses. Do you like this kind of concept? Do you like this kind of glasses to actually consume content? Well, let me know in the comments below. And for me as also, as always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more VR tech. If you really love the channel, the join button in there. Little on further, also the Patreon in the description. Thanks to all for the support. And I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.